We'll guide you through how to upload Instagram Reel link on WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by launching the Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop computer. Click the search field at the very top of your browser window and type WordPress into the bar to find the official website platform. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to run the search. Then select the official WordPress link to reach the main login homepage. Click the Start My Site button visible in the center of the page. Then choose Continue with Google for a quick and secure sign-in process. Pick the Google account you wish to use for your website's profile, scroll down the permissions page, and click the Continue button to proceed. Input a name for your website if you're setting it up for the first time. Click the Search Domains button to find a unique web address. Then select the domain option that best fits your specific project or brand. Tap the Add to Cart button for the web address you have chosen, and click the Continue button to move forward to the next step. Select Start with a free plan from the pricing selection menu. Then click Continue with Free Plan to access your site's management dashboard. Wait a moment for your WordPress workspace to fully load on your screen. Once it loads, find the Quick Links section on the right side of the main dashboard and click the Write Blog Post option from the available drop-down menu. Type a professional title for your new post in the top text field. Then click inside the body area to begin building your content blocks. Tap the plus button on the right side of the empty block. Then click the search bar within the block menu and type button. Click on the button icon to insert it directly into your post. Then type the name for your link. Click on the link icon located on the floating toolbar above the button and paste your Instagram Reel link into the text field that appears. Click the link recommendation below the box to confirm a URL. Then verify that your Instagram link has been successfully inputted into the block. Finally, tap the Publish button in the top right corner to go live with your post.